So someone commented on my this video tutorial and he's asking me about the section filter in the sample static module. So what is this? So let's check that. So like if you have if I check the static mesh in my project, and let's say if I check this one, this car. I'm choosing this car because it has multiple materials, and that's where we use the section filter. So let it open. So it has opened now, and as you can see, it has multiple materials, lots of materials apply. And if I isolate, you can see where this material is applying. Okay, so okay, so this is outer body. So if you want to use this thing to emit the particle, like this is a static mesh, and if you emit particle on that, the particle will take the whole mesh. But if you just want this element 7 outer body, that you can use in Niagara. So let's check how to do that. So section filter folder, and I'll just create a Niagara fountain fx, and let me open this and drag it here. Okay, so I'll also drag this particle system into the viewport and just on the 0, and also let's drag this car into the viewport on the 0.